Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit score with Wells Fargo, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your credit score with Wells Fargo, start by obtaining a copy of your credit report. Visit annualcreditreport.com for a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Review your credit report carefully for any errors or inaccuracies. Dispute any inaccuracies with the respective credit bureau to ensure your report is corrected. Next, make sure to pay all your bills on time, including credit cards and loans. Set up automatic payments or reminders to help you stay on track. If you have outstanding debts, consider paying them down to reduce your credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep your utilization below 30% of your total available credit. Next, check your credit card accounts with Wells Fargo. If you don't have a credit card, consider applying for one to build your credit history. Wells Fargo offers various credit cards that cater to different credit profiles. Use your credit card responsibly, making small purchases and paying them off in full each month. Consider requesting a credit limit increase on your existing Wells Fargo cards after demonstrating responsible usage. This can help improve your credit utilization ratio. Additionally, avoid opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period, as this can negatively impact your score. Regularly monitor your credit score through Wells Fargo's online banking services, which often provide free access to your score. Take note of any changes and understand the factors influencing your score. If needed, engage with Wells Fargo's financial advisors for personalized strategies to enhance your credit standing. Finally, establish a long-term plan for maintaining good credit health, focusing on consistent payments and responsible credit use. Implement these steps consistently, and you'll gradually see an improvement in your credit score. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.